Hi everyone, this is Bonus and today's video is all about food storage standard. Like how to keep the food, like which rack we have to keep, like when it comes to raw meat, grounded meat, chicken, pork, beef. So this all thing have a particular stacking those things and storage and receiving temperature. So let's start the lesson.
Food storage standard. Let's start. Received of cold food. See the temperatures? Fish, meat, seafood is 1 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius. Right? Receiving of frozen food. This is the cold food, and here we go. The frozen food is -18 or colder. Clear with this? Storage of cold food, which is 1 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius. Here we have the storage of fresh vegetable and fruits, right, which is 1 degree to 7 degrees Celsius. Storage of frozen food, which is again -18 storage and receiving. Deforesting is 1 degree Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Reheating one time, which is 2 hours at 70 or above. In this temperature, the bacteria dies. Hot hold, which is 60 or above. See cold hold, which is less than 5 or colder. Means definitely comes to 1, 2, 3, 4, right above. Colder. Clear? Hot display 60 or above. You know, hot display, right? It's about 60 above. You can say like chef and dish. So the food storage standard, this is the rack, right? So this is the upper shell and this is the bottom shell. You can see the upper shell will be the beef, then lamb, then pork, then seafood, then ground meat, then stuffed food, and then the poultry and eggs. Right guys, so this is the storage standard that what we follow, right? Let's go to the next page. Cold display, which is 1 to 5. Cooking temperature will be 75 Celsius and above expected for beef and lamb. Cooling means total 6 hours. Just think a sauce what we have, right? A good quantity of sauce. Okay, so what happened? In 2 hours you should bring it from 60 to 21, the sauce to 21 to 5 Celsius. So this is like bring to this temperature, right? So this is like within 4 hours we have to complete it, or else you guys know, right? In the previous chapter I have explained it very well. Wash cycle for dish, glass and washers is 60 degree or above. Rinse cycle for the dish, glass and washer, which is 80 or above. Cycle, and this is about the rinsing cycle, right? So as you can see, it's go higher and higher. It comes to this, right? And we see frozen food maximum up to temperature will be -10 to -20. Fish and seafood, which is 5 Celsius to -11 Celsius. This is for all the perishable goods, right? All the perishable goods. Meat and poultry, which is 0.6 to 3.3 Celsius, in between 7 to 10 Celsius. Milk and milk product will be 3.3 Celsius to 7.8 Celsius, and this is where bananas are best stored. So here fruits and vegetable both, so some are going to be 5.1 Celsius to 7.2 Celsius, or at 20 Celsius to 25 Celsius, or normal, right? We see the eggs, which is set to 10 Celsius, or I can say a room temperature. Here I have some few. General product will be like 21 Celsius, and all they store like flour, sugar, condiments, which is like 15 Celsius to 22 Celsius, right? I hope you guys clear with this chapter, which is the food storage standard, and about the stacking, that how you're gonna keep it and where and how, what temperature, everything I explained in this video, right? So I'll see you in the next informative video, right? Till then, food storage and standard. Have a great day. Bye bye.